Random variable x is the number of tails from tossing 2 coins. What is the expected value of x? So we need to find the expected value of random variable x. To calculate the expected value of a random variable, we need its probability distribution. The probability distribution of a random variable is merely a listing of all the possible values that the random variable can take on and the probabilities associated with each of these possible values. When we toss 2 coins, we can get either heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, or tails tails. When we get heads heads, we get 0 tails. When we get heads tails or tails heads, we get 1 tail. And when we get tails tails, we get 2 tails. So this random variable can take on 3 different values, 0, 1, and 2. The probabilities associated with each of these values are 1/4 to get heads heads, 1/2 to get either heads tails or tails heads, and 1/4 to get tails tails. Notice that when we add the probabilities across all possible values, they add up to 1. The expected value of a random variable is a measure of central tendency of that random variable. It is calculated as a weighted average of all possible values, where the weights are the probabilities associated with each possible value. To calculate that weighted average, we take the product of a particular value and the probability that that value occurs. This random variable can take on value 0 with 1/4 probability. The product of the two is 0. It can take value 1 with 1/2 probability. Again, the product of the two is 1/2. And it can take value 2 with 1/4 probability. Multiplying the 2 gives us 1/2. Adding all these products together gives us the expected value of this random variable. In this case, the expected value is 1.